Yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this 3-in-1 or 2-in-1 shaver. I got this shaver free from a company, and the name of this shaver, it should be written on the manual. On the box, it's written that it is waterproof, IPX6. Got 1 hour charging time, 80 minutes operating time, and it is USB charging. Got also LCD display, and I guess this is intelligent lock. So, got also 5 watts. And this is it. This is the manual. Yeah, the name of this shaver, it's a Wostec with the model number FS320. Got also a trimmer. We're gonna put this to use and see if maybe it's a good one. Nose trimmer also. Charging cable. And a little brush. Okay. And this is the shaver. So now let's take a look. Wostec. Here's the LCD display, charging port, power button. You can easily pull out this head. See that? And you can pull this one either like this or like this. Okay, see that? Or like this. So depending on how you want it. See that? See that? Yeah, I was charging it. So right now, let's put this into test and see if maybe it can really cut or not. So going down. Okay. When you make it like this, then it's cotton. But when you really make like this, it doesn't really cut that good, you know. But when you make it like this, then it's cotton. So I'm gonna finish it up later with a trimmer. So I'm gonna use this one. It's smooth now. It's better. It's good. Good. So, before you use this one, make sure you trim your hair down a little bit, Then you can use this one. Then it's good. Another thing, when you are shaving, the power button, it's easily to switch off because your finger is always there.